We're in the Maldives. I feel 100 years old after that voyage. But we're here, yay! Beautiful. Is that a shark?
Black tip greeting. Black tip greeting.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Welcome.
Hey there, thank you. That's me, yeah.
Very warm welcome to your Maldives. Thanks for having us. Wait for me is the Maldives number 29. Today visibility is very nice.
It's very nice visibility. What other place would fit the description of paradise? More than this.
It's very, it could be a third. This is our main restaurant.
That's the green room. Who did this? This is fantastic. Wow. Look at those little surfer. How's that for the surfer's roadmap? Beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. This is great. Oh, not sure what I'm going to do with all this space. Oh. Oh, and the pool. And the beach is right there, okay. Oh, I guess I'll just decide which one, saltwater or freshwater. Oh, kidding. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
Rolling. Yeah. So we've just rocked up first session. And look at this. Oh, it looks so fun. There's one surfer in the lineup. And then it's about to be our group. So we're a little bit of an Insta crowd, but we're out there.
Jump.
Oh, it's so cold.
Ready?
I'm recording. Yes, sir.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky. Got on my skin.
when you arrive they give you these bikes which end up being super handy because you can just zip around the island in between meals, or you can grab the boards and duck over to the dock to get on the boat to go surfing. But right now we're going to go to the buffet and get some brekkie. We're hungry. 2 of these in the morning. Keep the doctor away. There's a lot of garlic in it today. Morning. Got the naughty food. And now the good food. Hello, can I please get a juice with cucumber, ginger, aloe vera, apple and lemon? Thank you.
Perfect.
It's actually nice to have a rainy day, just to rest up, get out the sun, and just enjoy the vibe around the hotel. I love tropics. I love rainy tropics. I don't know about you guys.
Mommy? Good, thank you.
There you go. Fuel up.
Thank you.
This is what hard work looks like.
This is hard work. Perfect. What does James Bond eat for breakfast?
His enemies.
That's very nice. Very nicely done. Look at this little setup. Ah, what do you reckon, guys? How fun was that? Just a magic Maldive session with only like a handful out, wasn't it? So good.
Whoa. Wow. Who was that?
Kale.
Oh, it's Kale.
Yeah.
So this is a Kale because
There is a good one. Oh, Jesus.
barrel.
That was a little barrel.
Barrel, yeah.
Oh, what?
So hot. You're kidding! That is so cool! Oh, sorry, guys. Look at them all! Oh! There's so many! Oh! Oh! That is so sick! What the? Oh! Here they come, here they come! Whoa! Oh, wow! Oh, sick! Woo! That is so perfect. Oh! Deeper. Yeah.
I'll play with these ones, Argentinian style.
This is always one of my favourite parts of the day, coming back to check out all the footage of everybody, because obviously I've seen the waves from the water, I've hooted, I've got excited, and then when I come back here I get to see a more closer view of what the surfers achieved on each wave. And to be honest, this week has been pretty fulfilling, pretty impressive. So yeah, it's really cool. But I think stepping into the ocean realm and starting to work on our surfing there has got me very excited for not only continuing that, but also going back to the pool and applying what we've learned here in the more powerful waves of the ocean.
Okay, you want
15-hour shots.
I was staring pretty hardcore at that pizza just then. You caught me. This salad, healthy salad, one slice of margarita pizza. Two
No
slices.
surfing.
Thank you. Wow. Parfait. Bon appétit.